You say it again. What were you just saying? You slept really good last night. You did. Are you just staring at the camera? Oh, it just smiles. You smile. Where's my baby boy? There he is. There's my boy. Yeah. You gonna talk some more? You were just yelling a second ago. Yeah, you were. Tell me what you're thinking. Thinking you got a pig on your head? It's pretty funny, isn't it? You got a... Agoo? Getting tired. Oh, did I scare you? Agoo? Agoo? You smile? Yeah. He's reacting really good to other people smiling at him now. Aiden. Yeah. Yeah. He's gonna be 12 weeks old in 2 days. He's gonna have his first full week of daycare this week. Mommy has to go back to work. So we have a big week coming up. Yeah, and this is our last day to have fun. And he slept last night really well till 5 o'clock. Good boy, Aiden. Gonna miss these times. See what he's looking at up here. Where'd Aiden go? Where's he at? There he is. There he is. There's my boy. What do you think, Aid? What do you think about all this? Hi. 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 Hi, beautiful. Hi. Do you like that pig on your head, or should I move it? You got yourself into this position. Yeah, you did. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Hi. How's my happy boy? Hi. Yeah? Yeah? What do you want to do today? Do you want to go for a walk? Yeah? Should we go for a walk? You think so? You want to go play? Yeah. Yeah. You're becoming such a little grown up too fast. You are growing up, little bugger. Yes, you are. You're still my squirm worm, though. Yes. I love you. hair, the piggies off of your head. Is that good or bad? Good? Is it good? What was that? Oops, you got the piggy back. Did you do that? Yeah. Hey, buddy, want to say anything else? Good boy. Alrighty, we're gonna say. You gonna say bye-bye? 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 Say bye-bye? Oh, I'll think about it. Okay. Say goodbye. Yeah. You're trying. I know you are, bud. I know. Say bye-bye. I love you.